There are many different types of animals in the world like birds, lions, cats and dogs. Birds are a very beautiful animal that is the most demanded animals to be kept as a pet. There are many varieties of birds and are very attractive due to their colorful designs and features. Birds are available in both the prices as some are cheap while some of them are very expensive because they are rare in the world. Most of the pet lovers are willing to spend a large amount of money to get their beautiful and furry pets. Birds are considered as the most beautiful creation or animals in the whole world. Birds have different sizes and can be seen almost all around the globe. The expensive birds are precious for the whole world and are difficult to see in the world by the normal people. Keeping the most expensive birds is very difficult for everyone, but rich people love to own them as they can afford them. Birds are very attractive and their colors depict the perfect creature made by God. Here are the top 5 most expensive birds in the world which are very rare as well. Before starting our list, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. So let's start our countdown. Number 5. Flamingo. Flamingo is a wading bird that is commonly seen in America. It is mostly seen in pink color and looks very beautiful. Some of its species are also seen in the Caribbean. It is commonly called as flamenco in the whole world. It can fly 35 miles in a single hour. A set of flamingos are the ornamental bird of choice for the ultra-rich with the land space to house them appropriately. These birds fare surprisingly well in northern Europe where they are featured in the gardens of several exclusive estates and villas. They are not illegal but usually require licensing. Captive bred flamingos cost upward of $15,000 per bird. The reality of life with a flock of pet flamingo is far from glamorous. However, firstly, they require a specialist diet of shrimp, mollusks, and red algae that maintain their distinctive pink hue. Secondly, they are known to produce copious quantities of foul-smelling droppings whenever they go, necessitating round-the-clock groundskeeping. Number 4. Toucan. You cannot get much more exotic than the toucan, the national bird of Belize that is famed globally for its squid-like proportions and colorful giant bill. It's no surprise that there is a lucrative market in breeding toucans in captivity, and prospective owners are known to spend as much as $95,000 to procure a well-bred member of the Ramphastidae family. Owning a pet toucan is preferable as these beautiful birds have a warm, engaging personality, but there are several hoops to jump through and considerable expense entailed in successfully keeping this bird. The trade in exotic pets like the toucan is internationally restricted, and even if your toucan is captive bred, you are likely to need a license to keep your bird. The diet of a toucan is almost as exotic as a bird, including delicacies such as mango, papaya, ground beef, and lizard. Number 3. Black palm cockatoo. Black palm cockatoo is the bird that is available in different species and is very famous one. It is a very tall bird that has a total height of 60 cm and has smoky grey feathers and red spots on their head to enhance their beauty. This bird is mostly seen in the rainforest of Australia and New Guinea. The diet of this bird is very hard to find and is difficult to breed. The price of this beautiful bird is almost $16,000, which is very expensive. Number 2. Hyacinth macaw. The hyacinth macaw is one of the world's most exclusive and expensive birds, costing over $40,000 for a single vivid pillow macaw. They hail from South America and at over 1 meter in length from head to tail is the largest flying parrot in the world. Its vibrant coloration is so striking and distinctive, making it highly prized, though losses of habitat and trapping of wild birds have to led to it becoming endangered. Once acquired, the cost for keeping this large and heavy parrot just keep mounting as they will require string perches, large cages, and expensive avoirs to accommodate their broad wingspan and physical strength. Number 1. Racing pigeons. For many, these unassuming birds could be mistaken for the common pigeons that flock any town, center or city, but amazingly, the humble pigeon easily eclipses many other animals to be one of the world's most expensive animals, eclipsing thoroughbred racehorse, exotic breeds of dogs or big cats. Racing pigeons carry their weighty premium because of their uncanny ability to cover thousands of miles at speed. Pigeon racing is big money and income-derived race winnings can make the right bird a valuable commodity. There is a strong international market for these birds and bidding can be fixed. Prices for elite racing pigeons start from hundreds of thousands of dollars up to $1.4 million paid for a bird in China in 2019. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.